Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about CyberpowerPC's new Tracer 8 gaming laptop. So friend, CyberpowerPC has announced its latest gaming laptops, the Tracer 8 series, and the gaming laptop comes in three different models with different feature sets for all levels of gaming and features a crisp 17.4-inch WQXGA 2560 by 1600 240 Hz screen complemented by 14th generation Intel mobile processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series graphics, and the keyboard is mechanical with RGB backlighting, making for a comfortable gaming and typing experience. Comes ready for an optional detachable liquid cooler and features a clear 16-inch WXGA 2560 by 1600 240 Hz sRGB 100% display with 14th generation core mobile processor, NVIDIA RTX 40 series graphics, and friend. This model gives you the best of the edge and gaming models, and friend. A 180-degree hinge on the screen allows the laptop to lay completely flat for ultimate viewing flexibility, and the charger also seems a makeover with 240-watt ultra-slim adapter for better charging on the go. And friend, it is available with 15.3-inch WXGA 2560 by 1600 120 Hz sRGB 100% or 16-inch WXGA 2560 by 1600 165 Hz sRGB 100% displays. And friend, the base price is 1999 USD dollar and it is available for purchase now. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.